In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about heat, the role that temperature plays in cleaning, and how you can boost your temperature so that you can get even better results when it comes to Encap cleaning. So today we're going to talk about bucket heaters. And bucket heaters are a really cool tool that we sell here at Excellent Supply that can help you to increase your water temperature. So let me open this up and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So here's what comes in this box. Our bucket heaters are really handy. It's simple. You just simply drop it in a bucket. It will increase the temperature. In about half an hour, you'll actually get up to like a simmer, rolling boil. I like to actually use 2 bucket heaters to start off a job. So when you go into an account, drop 2 bucket heaters in as you're getting everything set up. And in no time, you've got really super hot, like steamy, simmering water. And then with 2 bucket heaters, and it will run on one circuit with 2 bucket heaters, you can actually kind of like leapfrog down the line so that you've always got a fresh bucket of really hot water. Now, the advantage to using a bucket heater at this time of year is that water is getting colder coming out of the tap. Well, maybe not here in Florida, but all over the rest of the country, it comes out pretty cold. And although our Release It products work great in any temperature, obviously, as we increase our temperature, it's going to make our cleaning that much more efficient. So, in fact, the rule of thumb is that above 118 degrees, every 18 degrees that you go up in temperature, it actually doubles the molecular activity. The molecules will actually move faster. That's why boiling water is boiling, because the molecules are moving so fast, they're colliding into each other. So as we increase water temperature, our cleaning efficiency increases that much more as well. So pick up a bucket heater or 2, and you'll see your cleaning go up that much more. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we can help max your Encap here at Excellent Supply. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. Also comment, subscribe, and we'll keep these videos coming to you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.